Look, stop wasting time trying to shove everyone into the same box. It doesn't work. You feel it, right? That crushing frustration when you're eager to build something real, something that lasts, and everyone just wants to play by the old tired rules. Uniformity feels safe, clean, but it kills innovation. It kills the spark that makes you different, that makes you powerful. You and your teams are stuck in a cycle where being the same is somehow the price of working together. It's maddening. You see the cracks. You know the system is broken because it demands you give up your edge, your ideas, your unique vision just to fit a mold that wasn't made for you. Here's the brutal truth. Unity without uniformity isn't just possible. It's the only way to survive in this world, but it requires ripping off the old rulebook and rewriting new ones that serve real collaboration and brutal honesty about who you are and what you bring. Forget pretending you can micromanage everyone into perfect alignment. That's a lie sold by systems that want control, not progress. What you need is a fierce commitment to building connections that matter. Link up with people who aren't clones, who don't just nod and follow but challenge you, who push you so far you don't recognize the limits you used to think you had. Stop aiming for uniformity. Start demanding complementarity. Find those few people who add something to your vision you didn't even know was missing. This means brutally clear boundaries about what's non-negotiable for you, your core values, your mission, your way of playing the game. But at the same time, be relentlessly curious about how others' differences can multiply your impact. Unity isn't sameness. It's the power of diverse fire coming together in a way that builds strength instead of friction. You don't have to agree on everything. You have to respect the things you don't and use them as fuel to get better, move faster, break bigger barriers. Here's what most founders and leaders miss. You have to construct the conditions where different people feel like their difference is their power, not their burden. That means culture, incentives, communication, all designed to let individuals own their uniqueness while staying committed to the overarching goal. It means creating feedback loops that brutally expose what's working and what's poison. No soft feelings, no let's just get along nonsense that kills breakthroughs before they even start. If you want to build unity without uniformity, you need to stop seeing diversity as a problem or a checkbox. It's your secret weapon, but it doesn't work without documented rules to handle conflict and clear roles that prevent chaos. You need to be uncomfortably clear on who decides what, when, and why. Nobody thrives in a fog of vague unity. Structure without sameness. And here's something you absolutely must do. Get rid of the idea that unity means losing control. Real leaders expand control by empowering others to own their roles 100%. The moment you try to centralize or squeeze conformity, you kill what makes your network or team special. So take that painful step back and trust the people who bring different approaches, different perspectives, because their success is your success. Unity built on trust and diversity beats any forced, tight uniformity every single time. Your leaders, founders, investors, you have the responsibility and the power to create spaces where people bring their full selves. Don't settle for team harmony if it means silence and dullness. Demand constructive conflict, real conversations, true challenge. That's the only way to chase progress that matters. Start now. Identify where you're forcing uniformity just for comfort's sake and cut it loose like a dead weight. Build systems that hold people accountable to results, not sameness. Design your culture so different views are celebrated, not tolerated. Model the behavior you want. Fierce individuality combined with deep respect and relentless commitment to the mission. This is the real work. The only unity worth building comes from the messy, raw, powerful connections of people who don't fit the same mold, but fit the same purpose. Forget uniformity, demand unity, and watch your world change. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to discover more.